Hello friends! Do you know the science behind that super crispy KitKat bar? Or the secret behind the perfect cone ice cream? It's not magic, it's food engineering. Let's dive in. It all starts with thousands of liters of fresh milk delivered daily to the factory. After a strict quality check, the milk is pumped into large temperature-controlled vats. There, it's gently mixed with sugar and rich cocoa mass. This blend goes through a 6-hour process called conching, where it's constantly stirred and heated. Massive rollers move in steady, smooth motions, evaporating moisture and bringing out the cocoa's deep aroma. Over time, the rough mixture turns into a silky, glossy chocolate flavor we all love. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, the famous wafers are being made. A precise batter is baked into ultra-thin sheets at 200 degrees Celsius. To keep them perfectly crisp, the hot wafers immediately enter a massive cooling tower, traveling more than 70 meters as they slowly cool to a stable 25 degrees. The result: light, crunchy layers that will soon form the heart of every KitKat bar. Next, a thin layer of rich chocolate cream is spread over each wafer sheet. This creamy filling is the secret behind KitKat's delicious flavor. A continuous machine then stacks 3 wafer layers together with precise alignment, 2 with cream facing upward, and the last one placed on top to seal the layers perfectly. Then these stacks move into a long cooling tunnel where they stay for up to 20 minutes. Inside, the layers slowly harden into solid blocks, allowing them to be cut precisely into uniform pieces. Once solidified, the large wafer blocks move toward a high-speed precision cutting station. Here, a robotic arm carefully picks up 2 stacks at a time, speeding up the cutting process before transferring them into the machine. Each KitKat finger must meet strict size standards, and even the slightest misalignment can lead to rejection. To avoid that, the entire system is calibrated with accuracy down to a fraction of a millimeter. After cutting, another robotic system gently lifts and arranges the fingers in perfect alignment on a moving conveyor belt. Each row is spaced precisely for the next stage, the chocolate coating, where the real transformation begins. Now comes the most exciting moment: the molding. Warm liquid chocolate is poured into custom KitKat molds, gliding along the conveyor at a rapid 30 meters per minute. Overhead, advanced 6-axis robots stand ready, moving with incredible precision to place the wafer fingers right into their chocolate beds. Guided by optical sensors, the robots swiftly pick up and insert each wafer into the molds with pinpoint accuracy. The margin for error is less than half a millimeter. Each machine can place more than 500 wafers every minute, creating a perfectly uniform rhythm of chocolate and wafer. Once in place, a second wave of chocolate covers the wafers completely. The molds pass over a vibrating table that shakes out any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a flawless finish. Finally, a scraper glides across the surface, removing excess chocolate and leaving each KitKat with a perfectly smooth bottom. The iconic bars are then sent through a final cooling chamber, where the chocolate coating is set to perfection. As they emerge, glossy and solid, they glide down a spotless white conveyor belt, neatly aligned in flawless rows. Next, each bar passes through a series of high-speed sensors that inspect them for bubbles, cracks, or any surface defects. Operating at incredible speed, these machines can examine more than 800 bars every minute with 99.9% accuracy. If a bar doesn't meet the strict quality standards, a quick burst of air removes it instantly, all without slowing down the production line. Because the bars need to be packaged quickly, they're sent straight to the high-speed wrapping machines. Timing is everything here. If the chocolate stays out too long, it can lose its shine or even start to soften. That's why this entire room is kept at a cool 18 degrees Celsius. The wrapping machine works at incredible speed, sealing over 500 bars every minute in their signature red and white foil. Each bar then moves down the line for another round of rigorous quality checks. Advanced sensors and high-resolution cameras scan every piece for even the tiniest flaw, from air bubbles to uneven seals, ensuring that only perfect bars continue on their journey to the customer. The process is fully automated, ensuring consistency, hygiene, and minimal human contact to maintain the highest quality standards. Once approved, the KitKat bars move upward through a bucket elevator system, which gently lifts thousands of units per hour toward the multi-head weigher. Here, 16 ultra-precise weighing buckets work together to calculate the exact number of bars needed for each pack with incredible accuracy. Next, robotic arms take over, picking up the packets, arranging the sealed bags neatly inside cardboard boxes, and closing them with perfect precision. Now it's time to step into the frozen world of the ice cream factory. Before any ice cream takes shape, it all starts with one key ingredient: the ice cream base. In massive tanks, fresh milk, cream, and sugar are blended, pasteurized, and homogenized. Every ice cream sandwich begins with its foundation, the chocolate wafer. Operators load stacks of these crisp wafers into an automated dispenser that lays them onto the conveyor belt with flawless precision. Each placement is timed to perfection, preparing the base for the creamy filling that's about to follow. At the filling station, a machine extrudes slabs of vanilla ice cream at -5 degrees Celsius. Another robotic arm quickly lowers the top wafer to complete the sandwich. Each movement is carefully synchronized, creating hundreds of perfect ice cream sandwiches every minute. The sandwiches are then sent through a hardening tunnel where air chilled to -35 degrees Celsius flash freezes them within minutes. This rapid freezing process locks in the texture and prevents large ice crystals from forming, ensuring every bite stays smooth and creamy. Once firm, robotic grippers gently lift each sandwich and place it onto the packaging line. Precise, efficient, and perfectly timed. To preserve that fresh-made quality, each sandwich is individually wrapped. A continuous roll of film forms a snug layer around every treat, while heated jaws seal the edges tight, locking in flavor and keeping out air. But this factory doesn't just make sandwiches. On another line, a team oversees the creation of ice cream cups. Each cup is filled with strawberry ice cream in a beautiful rosette pattern, thanks to multi-head dispensers that can fill over hundreds cups per minute. Immediately after, foil lids are heat-sealed to lock in freshness and flavor, ensuring every cup reaches consumers in perfect condition. Next comes the famous cone ice cream. A worker loads rows of crisp waffle cones into the filling machine. First, the machine quickly straightens and secures each cone in place. A special nozzle then sprays a thin layer of melted chocolate along the inside, creating a barrier that prevents the cone from becoming soggy. Immediately after, another dispenser fills the cone with smooth, creamy ice cream, allowing it to bond perfectly with the still warm chocolate layer. The top is then finished with a swirl of chocolate drizzle, followed by a sprinkle of crushed nuts or toppings. This step isn't just for decoration, it helps the nuts stick to the melted chocolate so they stay in place during freezing and transport. Each cone is then sealed with a protective lid and sent into a blast freezer set at -35 degrees Celsius, where it hardens completely in minutes. As they emerge, the cones are firm, glossy, and ready for boxing, perfectly preserved for that crisp bite and creamy center we all love. Yet, the world of dessert innovation has more to offer. Just steps away, another legend of taste is being crafted: the rich and crumbly chocolate digestive biscuit. Begins with high-quality ingredients and precision engineering. A specially prepared dough is fed into a massive laminator, rolling it into a perfectly even sheet. Then, a rotary cutter stamps and cuts each digestive biscuit with flawless uniformity, producing thousands of pieces every minute. Once cut, the raw biscuits travel along a heat-resistant conveyor belt, heading straight into a colossal long industrial oven. This is where the magic truly begins. Inside, they bake at over 200 degrees Celsius for just 6 minutes, developing that golden brown color and signature crisp snap. As they come out of the oven's heat, the biscuits begin a slow journey along cooling conveyors, a crucial step that locks in their final texture and prevents any cracking or breakage. Now comes the most exciting part. The cooled biscuits enter the enrobing machine, where a silky stream of tempered chocolate is drizzled over them. Each piece is coated on one side with perfect precision, creating that glossy, melt-in-your-mouth finish. To set the chocolate, the biscuits travel through a long cooling tunnel, where precise temperature control ensures the coating hardens flawlessly for the satisfying snap when you take a bite. Finally, the finished chocolate biscuits are aligned, weighed, and packed by an advanced weighing and sorting system, ensuring perfect uniformity in every piece. You can support us with a like and we'll bring you more Sweet Factory stories. Dive in and explore the world of food engineering.